What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. Matter of fact, right now through the fourth quarter, I'm making videos 3 times a day. That's right. 3 times a day. So you don't want to miss it. Just smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. I try to get right to the point. I'm about to get right to it in a minute, but I wanted to welcome you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. We try to give you all stuff and no fluff. These are very conversational videos full of data points and real information. Okay, nothing fancy. It's just all about the business. And for all of you radical marketers out there, salute. Thank you so much for the giant community online that is sweeping YouTube, that is answering people's questions. This is just a portal of free information so we all can rise together. So I appreciate you guys helping each other in the comment section. And if any of you guys want to be part of the free Facebook group and you're not part of it, link is in the description below. Make sure you join it. All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Digital Federal Credit Union, also known as DCU. I know some of you guys have been waiting for me to review this credit union, and we're going to go over a bunch of things that they have, and I'm going to kind of go through things quickly so this doesn't run out all day. My biggest pet peeve is seeing YouTube videos be like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I hate that. I'm like, man, just give me this stuff and let's go. So I'm going to go over things with you. I'm going to give you a bunch of plugs, and then I'm going to give you a bunch of plays on how you can play some of these plugs that I'm about to give you, okay? Basically, though, just so you guys know, Digital Federal Credit Union is out in Massachusetts. Shout-outs to MA and New Hampshire, okay? New England is in the house. But the great news about this credit union, before I get into it, is it is open membership, so that means you do not have to be presently in the New England states, and it is open through association, and you guys can go through that on the website. Keep in mind, it is a soft pull for membership. It is not a hard pull for membership. There's a lot of credit unions and banks out there that will hard pull you for you just to become a member or have a bank account with them. In this situation, there it's a soft pull, and all of their credit decisions come from Equifax. Okay, Equifax. And what you're going to find is most credit unions are going to be using Equifax first, Experian second, and then TransUnion, just because Equifax is just what credit unions love. Okay, so if you guys have a good Equifax score, you're going to love DCU. Let's get into the review. All right, guys, so here's DCU. Okay, there's going to be a lot of different products here. What I really liked about everything is if you click borrow, you're going to see there's a bunch of things, from anywhere from auto loans to refining your auto loan. You got a bad rate and you're in a Turo business or just a regular human being, you could do that. Antique auto loans was kind of cool. Motorcycle, recreational. Okay, you got 3 different credit cards there, one being a secured card. Student loans, you guys can check that out. We're going to cover some of these things, okay? But it's a really, really, really good bank, okay? The biggest thing that I've noticed with them is going to be their credit builder products, for sure. So if you're trying to rebuild your credit, or you're trying to establish primary trade lines on the installment side and the revolving side, this is going to be right up your alley. The nice thing is about DCU, I would consider it a top credit union from the different products that they offer. So you get a secured credit card or a secured loan with them. You're going to be able to get high limit credit card funding with them. You're going to be able to get into a mortgage with them if you want, commercial lending, all of that, okay? It's all about relationship banks with the credit unions, okay? But let's just jump right into it. The one thing I do like about the free checking account, okay, it's a really good checking account, okay, from what I was looking at. You guys can check that out on your own, but you get paid early, okay? That's kind of nice. Like a lot, like the Chime was promoting that and stuff like that. So you're gonna get rate discounts on their different loan products. You're gonna get paid early. It's free checking, free. You can't beat free. I had somebody ask me one time, "What's better? Do you have a better price than free?" I said, "No, bro. I only got free back when I was in sales." Okay, so it's free checking. And it's going to be the way that you really build relationships. You want to make sure when you become a member, you do the checking and the savings. I always preach that. They will check your check systems too. If you guys are struggling with check systems, take care of that. Watch my video. And matter of fact, you can watch all my videos on all different topics, from best credit unions, best credit cards, credit secrets and hacks, to business funding. Everything is all on the channel. I'm trying to create a community where it has thousands of videos on there. So binge watch the videos and learn all you want. Ask questions too, because I answer questions within 24 hours. All right, guys, let's talk about the credit cards. Okay, so when I was doing research on it, the credit cards right here, there's gonna be 2 different unsecured cards, and then there's gonna be 1 secured card. Okay, what I like about all these cards is there's no annual fee. there's no balance transfer fee, and there's no cash advance fee. Okay, now I've talked about many times the balance transfer strategy to leveraging credit cards. There's also cash advance strategies that most YouTubers don't talk about that I'll be talking about on the channel as well. You can find those videos under the Credit Hack channel, under my channel, the Credit Hacks under the playlist. Okay, so you guys can check those out, and under financial literacy playlist as well. Visa Platinum rewards. Okay, this is going to be a little bit better, the Visa Platinum, as far as the APR goes, but you're going to be able to find more rewards. If we jumped into the rewards for a second, you'll be able to see just the different types of things that come with it. They go over the rates. One thing I did like about it is you can always see how much you're able to borrow with the calculators. That was pretty cool. How can you eliminate your debt? So they are big about financial literacy and helping you get out of debt. But yeah, I mean, I wasn't too big on the credit cards, to be completely honest with you. I was more interested in their credit products, which I'm about to show you. But I'm always big on 0 annual fee, 0 balance transfer fee, and 0 cash advance. Any credit cards that have 0 fees like that, guys, you can't lose with them, okay? Now, I had seen in the data points from doing research that these cards will go up to $25,000. Yes, $25,000 I wrote down for these cards. Okay, now if anybody has a DCU credit card, please put in the comment below so we all can learn together. I love their auto loans as far as 1.41 APR, super awesome. Okay, and then you can go down there and you can kind of see more about how things would break down up to 36 months, things like that, and you can kind of times that by every 1,000. So they really break it down for somebody to get full disclosure on what things cost, things like that. I'm not going to spend too much time on the auto loan because I'm really trying to go through this for you guys so you're not here all day. But 1.49% is really, really good. And then you get a 50% discount on that as well. And then even looks like another additional 25% on energy efficient vehicles. So membership is required to get that, of course. The next thing we got going on here is, almost like, oh, I got too ahead of myself. The next thing is, hold on a second, close. Oh, that's not it. We got right here the Credit Builder Loan, okay? What I love about this is for those of you guys that are in a place where you're rebuilding your credit, you're trying to establish credit, this credit loan is going to be great. So I would become a member with DCU, and then I would start this Credit Builder Loan like same day, next day if you can. Okay, here's why. Number one, you can do up to a $3,000 trade line, okay? So this is going to be similar to a pledge loan, people. For all of you Navy Federal studs and studettes out there, this is going to be very similar to a pledge loan. It's a basic credit builder secured loan that credit unions pride themselves on helping people build credit. This is going to be great because you can have a $3,000 trade line, and then there's going to be 12 to 24 months that you can pick from. The APR is very low on it, and here's what I would recommend. This is a hack for you guys. That's why you want to watch the channel the whole way through on all the videos. But one of the hacks that I have for you is pay 70 to 80% of that right away. Okay? Why is that? Well, then you're not going to have this massive $3,000, 100% that you owe. Pay down 70 to 80% of that right away. And then when it reports to the credit bureaus, then you're going to have a small balance that you're reporting every single month. It's going to help you for a home loan. It's going to help you for more funding, things like that. Banks love to see it, but that would be the hack. Pay 70 to 80% of that bad boy right away, okay? Because it's going to come back to you anyway. A secured loan is you're saying, I'm going to put $3,000 down. They're going to lock it into a separate account or in your savings account and lock it so you can't touch it. And as you pay it back, funds will become available. So it's just like that. Now, why do I like that better than like a self-lender? Because this is a bank-issued trade line, okay? It's a bank-issued trade line for one, so it's not a self-reporting trade line. It's a bank-issued trade line. And then number two, it's not just a bank-issued trade line. You're establishing a relationship with an institution that has many more products that you can go off just by that one credit product. So if you did a secured loan with DCU, they're going to be flocking to you for an auto loan, for a credit card, and you can literally build out this entire relationship with DCU and even start a business and move your business account to DCU because they have phenomenal business products as well. So the this is one of the best credit builders that I've seen on a credit union. I love the 3000. I love that it's open. Anybody can join this credit union. You don't have to be military. You can just join it online, or you can go into a local branch. But anybody can join it through affiliation, and there's a ton of affiliations that you can join, that you guys can look at on your own. But this is a very good, very, very good credit product to build your credit or rebuild your credit, okay? It's a great one to go with, and I highly recommend it. This is one of the reasons why I'm doing a review on DCU. Okay, this is what I really love too. We got a quick loan, okay? This is going to be very similar to like a payday loan, okay? So Christmas is coming up, right? Cash flow's king, credit's queen. That's what I like to say. But what I love about this is this: once you've been a member for 90 days, so give me 1 second here. I messed it up, guys. Sorry about that. Once you've been a member for 90 days, you can get a credit. Basically, you can get a credit loan. Give me 1 second, guys. Where'd it go here? I wrote down the information. Quick loans. Okay. So my quick loan is you're going to be able to get $1,000 with no credit check. Okay. So you'd be able to get $1,000, no hidden fees or credit checks. Okay. You can build your credit score by making payments on time. No payment penalties. Okay. So you literally, for 12 months, you can borrow $1,000 after you've been a member for 90 days. Okay. Now, after you've been a member for 6 months, that number goes up to 2 months. And on top of that, you don't have to make payments for 60 days. Okay. So that's really, really helpful. And sorry about all the confusion with that. I have multiple tabs open. So once again, on this quick loan, no credit check. Okay, no fees, no origination fees, no prepayment penalty fees. You're going to pay 10% on your money. You'll be able to borrow $1,000 after you've been a member for 90 days. Okay, 90 days. Okay, and then you don't have a payment until 60 days. So that is going to be a second credit product credit building product that DCU offers. They also have a secured loan as well. I'm not going to go over that. Basically, you put down the money and you can borrow against it and create a trade line there. But what I like about this is there's no credit check to do this. So here's the play. Join the credit union. Once you've been with them for 90 days, do this no credit check quick loan. And then once you've been for 6 months, you can do the 2,000. Okay, there's a lot of numbers going on, so I apologize for getting you guys confused. But no credit check. You got to be with them for 90 days. You got a free trade line right here, $1,000, 10% on your money. You can pay it off whenever you want. You can open it, you can close it, whatever. But you can literally have it report for 12 months. For 12 months. This is going to be the loan product. They're going to do up to 60 months, 6% interest rate. Okay, and then you're going to get a discount for being a member with them. You don't have to be a member for this product, but I would recommend being a member for all of their products. Okay. So that is going to be something else to look into. I saw loans up to $25,000 as well on this product. And then also when you're buying a home, I did want to bring this up. They have a 2.85 APR on a 30-year fix, free pre-qualification. I'll be doing a lot of real estate investing videos and just real estate videos in the coming future here in the next couple of months. Because a lot of you guys have been asking me, should I rent, should I buy, what's the best way to buy a home, how can I house hack, things like that. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash the like button on this as well for me. That'd be great. So buying a home, you guys can check that out. I did want to go over their small business products, okay? So they have a business credit card up to $25,000 that doesn't report to the personal credit bureaus. The nice thing about these are as well is they're going to be just like their personal products with zero cash advance, zero annual fee, zero balance transfer on all of them. 10% APR, pretty good for a business product. They have a business loan. It's 3.99% that you can put in your business name, business equipment if you need that as well. If we jump over to like the card, for example, you're going to be able to see the maximum credit line is going to be 25 grand. Okay, That's going to be very similar to Navy Federal. You can get more with the Navy Federal credit card, but this is going to be stated income as well. I didn't see anything about proof of income on this from all of my research on the data boards. This is stated income. So, like I said, guys, great credit union. Remember, let's recap. Open membership nationwide. Don't have to be military affiliated. You join through a nonprofit organization of your choice when you sign up. And you can do that online. You can do that in the branch. Number 2, it's going to be a soft pull for membership. Number 3, all their products are going to pull from Equifax. Number 4, they have one of the best credit building products of a quick loan, no credit check, $1,000 trade line after you've been a member for 90 days. After you've been a member for 6 months, that trade line is $2,000 that you can do as well with no credit check, okay? They also have the credit builder loan, and they also that goes up to $3,000, and they also have secured loans that you can do and a personal loan, credit cards, things like that, okay? The big takeaways here is this is going to be huge for rebuilding your credit. And then I also like the business products as well. Their home and auto are great. Their credit cards, I'm not the biggest fan of, but they're no fees, so you can't really lose. All right, guys, do me a big favor. Like, comment, subscribe on this video for me. Help this thing go out to the YouTube world. We are blowing up all over YouTube, and it's because of you. It really is. Join the private Facebook group. You know, watch and binge watch all the playlist channels. I make these videos for you guys. If you guys have questions, comment. There's no stupid question. Any question that you have, any video suggestion you want me to make, do that. But like I said, this entire fourth quarter, there's 3 videos a day. So make sure you check every single day at the channel. Put the notifications on if you want. And guys, enjoy, okay? This is about making you guys better. All right, guys, appreciate you guys. Go be great today. Peace.